what is Spotify web player and how to use it. So you need to open one link, and this is open.spotify.com, and there's no need to install any application, and you can play all the music from here only, web only. You do not need to install any application on your system. So after opening this link open.spotify.com, you need to simply sign up an account, or if you already have an account, you just need to log in. You can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or with your phone number. So I just logged in with my Google account, and after logging in you can simply browse this option, your library. You can add anything in your library, or you can search for your favorite actors or actress here, or your musician from here, or you can simply play the music from here. So it is very easy. You can just need to tap on this, or you can simply open the playlist and then play the music. So like for example this one, I just need to open this, and from here I can find so many music. I can play any one of them. Just tap on this, or click on play button. So this is the play button in front of the music. I can just play it, and it will similarly work like a Spotify application, and it will also save your memory in your space in your system. So I hope friends, now you will be able to use this feature, and if you like this video, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.